Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the heat gun from BLACK+DECKER. This heat gun works amazing. It's fully functional, compact. It doesn't have extra tools or adjustments or anything you have to do with it. It is a dual heat gun, which means it has two settings that it will go on besides off. So you have the one temperature that will go up to 750 and the other temperature of 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. So that means, of course, you have to be cautious when using a heat gun depending on whatever use you use it for. It also has this nice little feature down here, has a little kickstand, I would call it. That way when it sits down on your desk, on your floor, anything, it will safely let your heat gun cool off, because this will become extremely hot afterwards and you don't want to start a fire wherever you are working at. One of the other things that is great about this is how long the cord is. Sometimes you buy tools and electronics and the cords are really short, and that's extremely annoying. So it does have a nice long cord, which is helpful. This is going to get your job done. If you're in need of a heat gun, this is a very reliable one, simple and easy to use, has two different temperatures, has an off switch, has a kickstand to keep everything safe while you are trying to work. And that's my point of view.